Hello everyone, this is Ray Kieran again with Copter Concepts. This is my new rubber powered Huey. He's 2 feet long, rotor diameter about 22 inches. All up weight without rubber is 50 grams. She is wound up, rigid rotor system. Last attempt was not enough power, so I've increased the power. So we will try for flight and see if we can get her off the ground this time. My whole purpose of this experiment is to see if it's possible to get a scale-looking balsa wood and tissue constructed model helicopter to fly by rubber power alone and stable. So we shall see what happens. Okay, so we're going to release the lock. Way too much vibration. Well, that was an attempt. Maybe next time. We'll see. Bye-bye.